The Google Pixel 9a, launched on April 10, 2025, is a standout in the mid-range smartphone market, offering a blend of performance, design, and value. Powered by the Google Tensor G4 chip and 8 GB of RAM, it ensures smooth operation for daily tasks and integrates seamlessly with Google's ecosystem. The device boasts a 6.3-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing vibrant visuals and fluid interactions. Its dual rear camera setup includes a 48MP main sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide lens, delivering sharp and detailed photos, while the 13MP front camera caters to high-quality selfies. Notably, the Pixel 9a is IP68, rated for water and dust resistance, and features a substantial 5,100 mAh battery, supporting up to 23W wired and 7.5W wireless charging. Available in colors like iris, peony, porcelain, and obsidian, it combines style with functionality. Priced at $499, the Pixel 9a offers exceptional value, making it a compelling choice for those seeking premium features without the flagship price tag.